Does pressing Windows, Shift, and the letter S do nothing? Then get it fixed with this guide. First off, it might sound simple, but restarting your computer often solves minor problems. Now this can help clear out any glitches that may prevent the shortcut from working correctly. Next, check your keyboard for any dirt or debris that may obstruct the keys. You should clean off dust, crumbs, and other particles with compressed air. Now if your keyboard dirt or debris are not the issues, you may need to enable the clipboard history feature. To enable it, open Settings, navigate to System, choose Clipboard, and here you will find a toggle for clipboard history, so you should turn it on. Now another fix is to turn on Snipping Tool notification toggle. Just open Settings, go to System, choose Notifications, scroll down, and turn on the Snipping Tool notification toggle. Now once you have enabled this option, press the Windows, Shift, and the letter S to take a screenshot. Now another possible solution is to reset Snipping Tool. Now this restores the default settings, and it can help you if something goes wrong. And in order for you to reset it, right-click on your Start menu, search for Apps and Features, find Snipping Tool in the list, click the three dots, select Advanced Options, then select Reset. And that's how you can fix Snipping Tool keyboard shortcut if it is not working on your Windows computer. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.